Dance Kids.
And I'm Engineer Devilio Joshua Glenn, the mentor of Dance Teens.
So today, we are very thrilled to showcase the incredible talents of our young dancers. From the tiniest thoughts in our Dance Kids program,
To the enthusiastic teens in our Dance Teens program, these performers have worked tirelessly to bring you a show full of energy, creativity, and passion.
first, we have our Dance Kids, whose boundless energy and joy light up the stage. They've been learning the basics of dance and are excited to share what they have accomplished with you. Their performances will be a delightful mix of fun and fancy footwork that will surely bring a smile to your face.
Next, our dance teens will take the stage. These young dancers have been owning their skills, developing their unique styles, and pushing the boundaries of their creativity. Their performances will showcase a variety of dance genres from contemporary to hip-hop, highlighting their dedication and love for dance. So sit back, relax,
And get ready to be amazed by the talent and hard work of our
dance kids and dance teens. Let the groove begin!
This big old baby. Shawty wanna do me. Tell me something good, she wanna make a movie. Oh, I can tell it's just yeah. No, I wanna look around and on the border. Yeah. Oh, I wanna show you some things when your eyes on me. I noticed this song when you came on the part of the free. Better play now. Bottle popping till the daylight. I put you on if it feels right. Let's keep it going till there's no miles. Yeah. Do you mind? If I touch you, mind if I mess up your friend too? Roll it up, give it smoke to you. Put it in my face, do you mind? Make you tap out, don't let me. Over on the west side, the best side, you always only good vibes. Do you mind? Do you mind? Girl, do you mind? Will you let me do you right? Can I have a night? Don't make me anxious twice. I like what I like, I'm not the type that's gonna be stalking you. Oh, I know I'm a player, but I wait up, shoot my shot, and then I follow you. You sound good. I wanna give my heart to you, put that ass in once and I call to you. Baby, then I talk to you, kitty, now you're
slide to the other side of town and play a little football. You trying to come?
I'm gonna be there in like 5 minutes.
All right, cool. I'm gonna let the people know you slide.
All right.
For sure.
Oh, what a feeling. Look what we've overcome. I'm gonna let go of my flag. And count all the reasons we are the champions. There ain't no turning back. Saying, oh, can't you taste the feeling? Saying, oh, we are together, saying it. Look how far we come now. There's beauty in our unity we found. Already, we still got a long way. But look how far we come now. Hands up for your colors. Ready the people, a new day has just begun. And I wear my colors on my back. The creative eagle, one nation that's human. Can't wait till they all see that. Say, oh, can't you taste the feeling? Say, oh, we all together, say it. Look how far we come now. There's beauty in our unity. I'm ready. We still got a long way. But look how far we come now. Hands up for your colors. One or two months in my life, yeah. So you together, here we go. Baby, let's do the show. Let's get to the show right now. Let's go hands up. Let's go hands up. Look how far we come now. There's beauty in the unity we found. I'm ready. We still got a long way, but look how far we come now. Hands up for your colors. There's beauty in the unity. One or two months in my life. There's beauty in the unity. So you together. Here we go. Hands up for your colors. Represent your country. Raise your flag. So your true colors.
The Likha Sining Talent Prom 2024 and for successfully completing the sessions for Dance Kids. Given this 9th of July 2024 at the SBC Manuela Q. Pastor Auditorium. Signed by PAO Coordinator Ms. Camille Buenafe, Dance Kids Mentor Ms. Grizel Manalo, and our College President, Sister Maria Anarita Borbon, RGS, PhD.
To give out the certificates, here is Miss Grizel Manalo.
Briella Faith E. Baghan.
Red S. Lucero.
Kate Luis M. Baymosa.
Marigel Grace V. Arcega.
Angel Beatriz S. Elbediones.
Connie Aisha D. Arreglado.
Fiel Marini Lopez.
Chris Victoria L. Sen.
Johan Gabriel A. Cabal.
Aiden Harry P. Torres.
Helena Luis B. Lopez.
Ruel John N. Memorial.
Andy Patrice De Villa.
Chandra Maristela A. Pabida.
Zia Angela Isabella G. Eroa.
Kalia Destine B. Marshall.
Laila Sage P. Paula. Once again, our dance kids recitalists.
Recitalists. Theater recitalists. And of course, multimedia artists. We would like to recognize and appreciate also the special participation of the Pau Institute Culture and Arts Program, or ICOP. Our Likhang Balik Singing Mentors, Mr. EJ Musico. Mr. Josh Emilia, together with Miss Vinci Garcia. Mr. Sel Manalo, together with Mr. Mark Narvaez, Miss Julian Clan, and Miss Chelsea Gonzalez. Mr. Vince Conrad, together with Miss Chelsea Serva. Mr. June Untalan and Mr. Anthony De Los Reyes. Our production staff, the Performing Arts Repertory Region, RPRB.
And let us give a round of applause for Miss Sophie Eroa and Miss Camille Buenafe. Once again, let us give them a round of applause. Once again, this is the Balik City Talent Cup.